everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Life of a Sunflower. It is a new year and it is February. I don't know when this video will come out, but I'm going to try something new. So the first project of this year for me is I have some jean shorts, blue jean shorts, but I'm going to try to make or put crochet ruffles on them. I'll put the image up here, but I know it's so cool and I'm so excited to try something new, just kind of experimenting. So we'll see how this turns out. Even if it turns out bad, I'm going to show y'all, but I'll bring you along the journey on me doing this. So come along with me, everybody. Okay, so the process starts now. Okay, so these are the jean shorts, just very simple, but the two colors, I think in the picture it was 3 colors, but I'm just going to do 2 colors because I feel like these look really nice together. It's kind of bold out there, but yeah, so this and this I'll be doing. So right now I'm gonna start creating the ruffles, so come along with me. Okay, so I was going to make shorts, but now I think I kind of want to make it into a skirt with like ruffles. So I'm about to cut this so y'all can watch me. So see that I am cutting the length of this skirt to the desired length that I want. Personally, I feel like after I finished it, I kind of cut it a little too short, but it's okay because this could be put in like the mini skirt category. So yeah, but it's literally so crazy how I like changed my mind. It was gonna be like ruffle shorts and I was like, nope, doing a skirt. At the picture and it's actually, the ruffles start smaller, so I'm going to cut more up here, like closer to the crotch area, and then the ruffles will go long down here. So I will get to doing that. Okay, ignore the messiness of my room, but I'm sorry, y'all. I got too tired and didn't record myself doing the sewing all this on, but oh my goodness, it turned out so cute. I am gonna put it on, model it for y'all, and show y'all how it looks. But oh my goodness, like, I can't believe I did it. I just sewed it, so I don't know if the thread can be seen, but use thread to sew the pieces, and yeah, I'm so happy it worked out. Oh my goodness, like the cute little ruffles. Because yeah, I ended up changing my mind. Wasn't gonna do like shorts ruffle, like as y'all saw in the picture earlier, but I ended up deciding doing a skirt. But yeah, I'm gonna put that on, so yeah.